High atop a mesa in the midst of stunning red rock, in western Colorado, you'll find home. The lifestyle that is you. Redlands Mesa is home to one of the most challenging and picturesque golf courses in the country. (2301) West Ridges is nearly 3,600 square feet of heaven. With views in each direction, you can take in all of it. The Grand Mesa to the east, the Book Cliff mountain range to the north, and this home feels nestled practically inside the Colorado National Monument. With jagged rock formations, abundant wildlife, and unparalleled sunsets, it's all just part of the place you'll call home. Having a media center, cork-floored office, multiple patios, and ample entertaining space means this is the home where you can have it all. Low-maintenance exterior means this home is ideal for those with an active, traveling lifestyle. What are you waiting for? With too many features to count, this home begs you to come inside, and come inside to stay. 2301 West Ridges is calling you home.